Congratulations for the time that you invested in having a happier marriage. Now, you have the opportunity to purchase a certificate of completion. Because if you're getting married in Florida, this certificate will grant you a $25 discount off the cost of the marriage license, and it will completely waive the 3-day waiting period. And the certificate is good in every single county in the state of Florida. And as an extra bonus, we're offering you a free name change kit. This kit will protect you from making 5 of the most common mistakes throughout the process. And it will save you a lot of time. After you make payment below, you'll be guided to enter some information that's required for your certificate of completion. Then, instantly, you'll receive an email with both your certificate of completion and your name change kit. Enter payment below, and congratulations again on investing and having a happier marriage.